My name is Marcin Łobejko and I'm working for IS organization in Danone. Responsibility of my teams is to deliver data-powered products in the scope of advanced analytics and EPM for multiple business units and different teams in business.
My name is Frédéric Malo. I'm working today in the business transformation team in Danone as the EPM stream leader. As a member of the business transformation team, my role is to ensure that we provide the best solution to support the business and more especially on my side to support the finance.
Before starting the journey with Tagetik, Danone was using multiple EPM solutions with a lot of local customized processes and with quite limited self-service BI capabilities. Together with finance, we were looking for a solution that would help us to transform finance, to transform business, and to support, to simplify, to enable working really in self-service mode, and to help us standardize, simplify the processes used by finance organization. Before starting worldwide deployment of Tagetik, we had to focus on data specifically, on the quality of data, on the harmonization of data, on master data in general, to make sure that we can integrate it easily, having in mind multiple ERPs located in different geographies, having in mind local specificities in terms of processes, in terms of master data, but still assuring that we optimize processes and the final experience of the finance user will be significantly improving. When we were looking for the tool that will support us in a global transformation of finance, we are looking at several factors and several application, I would say, elements. So first of all, we wanted to enable self-service capabilities to the maximum level. It was also very important for us to have advanced workflow capabilities and also overall user experience, user journey. We wanted to improve to the maximum, so just the work in the solution is easy and user-friendly. For this, we needed a solution with good functional capabilities, but also with ambitious roadmap of development for future. Today in Danone, we are using Tagetik mainly in 4 areas. First of all, it's advanced control and reporting on actuals. Second, rolling forecast management. The third area is profitability management, and the fourth, which is also very important, is the self-service BI reporting on the finance data.
What I will consider today as unique in one word on CCH Tagetik is the autonomy of the business. Thanks to the workflow and to the automatic allocation functionalities, today users are able to meet the business deadlines. And as you can imagine, it was one of our priority to provide a good service quality to the business on our IS side. Another functionality that our users really appreciate is maybe the functionality to drill from a strategic level of data to an analytical level of data in one solution.
Today, when talking about the benefits of using Tagetik, we look at a few points. First of all, is the unified platform. One place when the finance user can log in, manage most of the finance processes in a unified way, in a simple interface and easy to manage applications. Second point is the scalability of the platform. With the growing amount of data, with big volumetry, with number of processes, of course, we need a platform which we can easily adapt to our needs, and in the SaaS mode, it's exactly what we expected. Then the third element is the ambitious release plan. So quite often new functionality is coming, so we can again increase and also leverage to maximum the benefits of what Tagetik is bringing to Danone.
To resume, I will say that CCH Tagetik is a very friendly solution for the finance, and that today I meet my objective to provide a solution to the finance team to help them to focus on business problematics and not on technical problematics.
In terms of our future journey with Tagetik, so first of all, we will continue supporting our finance community with delivery of the application, with extending the models, and in general in the transformation journey. But what is very important for us is also to work very closely with Tagetik on the future releases, on the future functionalities, and the scope of the application deployed. So for us, the future release, the release model, and the functional scope is one of the important priorities to also extend the usability of the application within Danone.